How to turn your phone into a laptop. No PC needed. If you don't have a laptop, or your laptop is broken, slow, or too expensive to replace, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your phone into a laptop using just one simple app. You'll be able to type documents, browse like a computer, attend online classes, and even do online work, all from your phone. Use Google Docs and Microsoft Word online, attend Zoom or Google Meet, do basic online jobs and freelancing, manage emails and files. This works especially well for students, freelancers, and anyone trying to save money. But hey, this is just a help. It will not replace a high-end laptop for heavy editing or gaming. But for about 80 to 90% of daily computer work, this setup is more than enough. You don't need anything expensive. Here's what you need. If you want to stay on the phone screen in desktop mode, then you need only a smartphone. Android works best for this video. If you want to connect to a TV or monitor, you will need an HDMI cable. Everything here is cheap compared to buying a laptop. I will show you how to turn your phone into a desktop mode still on your phone, and in the next video I will show you how to connect your desktop phone to a bigger screen like a TV or monitor. Now let's install the app that makes everything work. Go to the Play Store and search for Taskbar. Install it. Taskbar gives your phone a desktop-style interface, just like Windows or Linux. Open Taskbar when you're done installing. Grant the permissions it asks for. On Taskbar, we need to do a few settings for it to work. First, we need to enable free-form window support to enable the desktop-like experience, so check the box. Tap on Open Developer Options. This will send you to your phone's developer settings. Scroll down and turn on Enable Free-Form Windows. It will ask you to reboot your phone. Select Reboot Later. Enable desktop mode as well. Let's go back to Taskbar. Go back to the main settings. Tap on Desktop mode. Check the box to turn it on. This setting will help us to launch windowed apps on an external screen similar to Samsung DeX. The rest of the settings depend on your personal preferences, so you can go through them and see which is best for you, but these are the required settings to make it work basically. At this point, we must reboot the phone to apply the developer settings we did for Taskbar to work, especially if you want to connect your phone to an external screen like a TV or monitor for a better experience. So I'm going to restart my phone and I will be back shortly. Alright, I'm back from the restart. Let's open the Taskbar app again. Now, turn on Taskbar at the top right. Once enabled, you'll see a taskbar at the bottom of your screen, just like on a laptop. You can open multiple apps, switch between apps easily, use apps in floating windows, resize apps like computer windows. If you have an external keyboard and mouse, you can connect them using the OTG cable. Immediately, your phone starts behaving like a computer. Mouse moves, keyboard types, windows open. This is the moment most people realize they don't actually need a laptop for basic work. Your phone's environment is now a desktop and can run desktop apps and activities now. To have a better experience, if you have a monitor or TV, we will learn how to connect the phone to them for a large and full desktop feel. So get your USB to HDMI adapter or lap dock and an external display ready for the next video. If this video helped you, please smash that like button, subscribe, and share to help your friends. See you in the next video and stay safe.